students. In my first video, I explained about consumer and the symbol things which are given on the product. Today, in the second video, in the second lecture, second video, Standard 7, SS, Chapter 7, I am going to explain these things in detail, as well as I am going to explain about guarantee and warranty. Okay, my dear student, in our book guarantee and warranty is not written, but still I would like to explain the things. Okay, what is the meaning of guarantee and what is the meaning of warranty? This is the second video, second lecture, second video, chapter 7, standard 7, SS. First thing, in my first video I explained about who is called a consumer. કોને ગ્રાહક કહેવાય? Okay, who is called a consumer? I said, I explained, okay, the person who pays and purchases, the person who pays and purchases a product, the person who pays and purchases a product is called a consumer. If you are buying anything from the market, you are paying for that. Okay, and that is why you are called a consumer. Okay, suppose if you are buying a mobile, if you are buying a mobile from the market, so you are customer, you are paying for the mobile. Okay, you are paying for the mobile, it means you are a consumer. Okay, you are a consumer, you are a તમે ગ્રાહક છો. Okay, because you have already bought a mobile. Got it? The person who pays and purchases a product is called a consumer. Got it? Second thing, my dear student, here if you are buying a mobile, if you are buying a mobile and still if you are not satisfied with the thing, if you are not satisfied with the thing which you have bought, you can tell the customer, you can tell the trader to exchange it. Okay, otherwise you can take the money back by giving the product back. Okay, but my dear student, in these days the traders they are not giving the money back, they are not giving the money back. My dear student, it is their duty. If you are not satisfied with the product, okay, you can ask money to return. Okay, and it is they have to give you, but nowadays we don't know about our rights, we don't know about our rights. That is why the traders they cheat us. Okay, my dear student, suppose one incident I will tell you, I will tell you. One person has bought a TV. One person has bought a TV. After 15 days the TV was not working properly, so he complained the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper did not listen properly. Okay, and he was not giving proper answer. So after 1 month he went to the consumer court. And my dear student, in the consumer protection court, what happens? They fight behalf of us to the shopkeeper against the company. And my dear student, they give judgment in our favor if we are right. Okay, but before that, okay, when he registered his complaint in the consumer protection court, first thing what is necessary, there should be a bill. Without bill you cannot go to the consumer protection court. Okay, if you do not have the bill, the first step is not proper, we cannot go. So that is why whenever you buy a small thing or a big thing, whatever, always go for the bill, pakka bill. Got it? So what happened? He went to the bill. With the bill he appealed, and later on the consumer protection court give verdict in favor of the consumer. And after 1 month he got a new TV. Why he got a new TV? Because the TV which he bought was not working properly. Okay, and my dear student, if in a specific period, if it doesn't work properly, we can go to the court. First we have to ask the shopkeeper, and if shopkeeper changes the thing, no need to go ahead. Okay, from that only we can manage the things. Okay, got it? So always buy the thing proper. Okay, which kind of qualitative, the word is given. Qualitative means how we can come to know about the thing which is qualitative. If you want to know about the product, it is qualitative. First we have to see certain things, certain symbols sanctioned by the government. Okay, because government has sanctioned some certain symbols, certain products, in order to say that these are qualitative products. First thing. Okay, my dear student, for agriculture product, whether it is qualitative or not. Okay, so government has given egg mark. Egg mark means qualitative thing we can use. Okay, egg mark means qualitative thing, and government has section, so we can buy. Second thing, BIS hallmark, for the silver and gold ornaments. For silver and gold ornament, government has sanctioned BIS hallmark. It means that is qualitative thing we can buy. Okay, third thing, ISI symbol. ISI symbol is used for the household thing. It means government has given that this is the qualitative thing you can buy. Okay, and my dear student, fourth one is wool mark, that is used for the woolen product. Wool mark. So got it? So whenever you want to buy a qualitative thing, you have to see the symbols. Okay, and after seeing whether symbols are there, you can buy. Okay, you can pay, but when you pay, always insist, always go for the pakka bill. Got it? One more thing I have written about the green color mark and red color mark. Okay, which the thing which you are eating, that is called edible. The thing which you are eating, that is called edible. And my dear student, whether it is a vegetarian edible or non-vegetarian edible, certain marks are given. If you see red color mark, on the packet, it means that is edible but belong to non-vegetarian. Okay, something is there, non-vegetarian thing. Okay, and if green color mark is there, it means vegetarian. Got it? My dear student, nowadays we are buying tube light, small tube light, and some other lights from the market. Okay, small one tube, and on that they write date. If you buy today the things, they write on tube light certain things are there. Okay, and they give guarantee. What is the meaning of guarantee? If 1 year guarantee is given, and within 1 year, if the product is not working properly, okay, if the tube light is fused, so they will give you another tube light instead of that. That is called guarantee. Got it? And nowadays in your house you will find lamps are there. Okay, so on they, for that product, for that lamp, on that they write date. Okay, and normally at many places, okay, normally they work for a long time, but if in a certain period, 1 year or 2 years, if it is not working properly or fused, so they can give a new thing, that is called guarantee. But what is the meaning of warranty? I will tell you what is the meaning of warranty. Okay, if you are buying a thing, after 1 month or 2 months, if the product is not working properly, and if warranty period is there, warranty, so they will repair your thing, okay, without charging even a single rupee. Okay, and that is why when you buy refrigerator, you will find 5 years, 10 years compressive warranty. Okay, they don't give word guarantee. Okay, they don't give the word guarantee, they always use the word warranty. Warranty means suppose that product is not working properly, okay, if compressor is not working properly, they will repair it, okay, but they will not charge for that. Okay, so always remember, when you buy the thing, go first see whether it is guaranteed or warranty. Guarantee is given or warranty. Guarantee means you will get a new product if that first one is not working properly. Warranty means they will repair it, without any charge. But most important thing is the guarantee or warranty card should be filled up. If it is not filled up, don't buy. Normally in most of the shopkeepers, okay, what they do, okay, no problem, you can take the thing, when it is not working properly, we'll repair it, and they don't fill up, they don't fill the form of warranty. Now what happens after some time, when it is not working properly, and when we go to the same shop, they don't allow us to say, they refuse to change, to repair it. Why? Because for our warranty card is not fill up. Okay, so always fill up. Whether if you go to the market, DMart or some other thing, they fill up. Okay, they give a uh, they always go for the certain things, okay, procedure, and after that they give stamp, okay, and after that they give the things. So within that thing, okay, second thing, my dear student, if you are not satisfied with the thing, you can take the money back. Okay, you can take the money back. That is why in DMart and others thing, they say within 7 days, if you are not happy with the thing, you can return. Okay, but not all the things, certain things are there. Okay, so if you are not satisfied, you can change the thing. And if you do not want to change, and if you want your money back, it should be, nowadays the shopkeeper, they write in a bill that the sold things will not be taken back. No, my dear student, if you are not satisfied, they have to return money. Okay, otherwise you can change the product, you can buy another thing. Okay, got it? So these things are there, guarantee and warranty. Third thing, my dear student, when you buy the things, always go for certain things. First thing is name of the company. Name of the company and address. Okay, this should be there, it should be there. Okay, name of the company and address. Okay, second thing, okay, manufacturing date and expiry date. Okay, it should be there. Third one is weight. Third one is weight. Fourth one is price. Okay, price, it should be there. Okay, my dear student, and next important thing is, okay, which things are added. Suppose if you are buying a chocolate, okay, by adding which thing a chocolate is made, okay, it should be written. Okay, it should be written. So these things should be there on the product. You have to read the thing first, and after that you have to buy. And my dear student, if you are not, once again I say, if you are not satisfied with the product, you can tell the shopkeeper to give you, to return your money back and take the things back. Okay, and if they are not ready, you can go to the consumer protection court. Okay, my dear student, and that is for us. Okay, so always go for the qualitative thing, and don't be cheated by the traders. And that is why again and again you will find a advertisement on TV, Jago Grahak Jago. What does it mean? Be aware about your rights. Aware about your rights. Always go for the good things, qualitative things. Okay, and after that you can use the thing. Okay, so always go for the good thing. Jago Grahak Jago. Okay, thank you, student.